Namaste. My name is Dr. Praveen Upadhyay. I came to Italy to do my PhD more than 3 years ago, and on 24th of this of March, I finished my PhD with a PhD in neurosciences with additional title of European PhD. And after that, I just stuck here. I because I do not have any place to go, and the university has completely shut down the research for the protection of researcher and professors. So I can't even go to the university. So I'm in home isolation for since last more than 1.5 months. The government of Italy announced the quarantine on 9th of March, and it's still going on without any break. Most of the services are closed, like I said, research, and there are other non-essential services that are closed. But except for the supermarket and pharmacy and hospital, other services you will find everything is closed. So yeah, so the situation is pretty much still bad in Italy, but there is a hope because after the lockdown, the cases are decreasing every day. The cases per day is decreasing. Like around 20 days ago, it was around 7,000 patient every day, newly infected patient, but now it has reached around 3,000. So there is a huge improvement, but I think it will take some more time to normalize the situation. Now the total cases has reached around 176,000, and more than 23,000 people has been died because of this coronavirus. So, but and also as you may know that worldwide it's more than 2.3 million people infected, and almost 159,000 people has been died, which is a huge number as a pandemic. And but I see a hope for India because India is not so much worse affected because in a country like 1.3 billion population, just 15,000 cases is very promising, very good, and the death is also very low, like 500, 521 death till now, which is not a big number. So I think India is doing great in battling against the coronavirus disease 2019. Um, the spread of the infection, how long it will take to totally control it, it cannot be said now because it's too early. Because considering a disease like COVID-19, there are too many factors that one have to consider, like the temperature, the proper temperature, the suitable temperature at which the virus grows, the adaptability of the virus, the mutation rate of the virus, and so there are many factors. The viruses are also evolving, so we just have to wait while we are enjoying. I mean, we are staying inside the lockdown. I know it's not so much entertaining, but this is the only best way to control the spread of the infection, because since there is no medicine or no vaccine available. And I want to say that every government and every scientist working in the field are doing their best to protect every one of us. So I hope you become more appreciative to them who work in the field of medicine or field of science or field of research or field of administration like police, because they are the real people that are actually combating this situation. Most of the people are doing nothing indeed, because they are helpless. Most of the people, even I include myself, even I'm not a proper virologist, but I have I come from various backgrounds of biology, like animal sciences, then biotechnology, genetics, and then neuroscience. But still, I am helpless. I cannot do nothing but to stay at home, and the most I can do is that I can aware people, for which I have opened a Facebook page named PO Viva Pravin. There I try to aware people and try to make different videos to aware the people about this infection, COVID-19. And yeah, basically the lockdown is not a great experience, but if you have always do so, if you have always to do something, you can pass every day. Like you can do the things that you thought you will do when you will have a holiday I think this is a great opportunity to do those things. Like for example, now I am concentrating on to develop my skill on creative writing. So I spend my days on researching on creative writing, how to write creatively, and what the other people, or what the how the other writers use this technique. And there are many techniques you also learn, because why I'm particularly saying this is because many people are complain or ask me about that they are suffering from boredom, or they are suffering from kind of anxiety or sadness because of this lockdown, because they cannot meet their families. Some of them cannot meet their friends, they cannot go outside, they cannot party. So yeah, I know the situation is critical, but this is the best situation till now. And um, yeah, so you can work on various skill, developing various skill in this time. And I think this will be the best utilization of your time. And I am in this house since last since the time when the outbreak has begun in Italy, alone. All my We were four people living in this house in different rooms, but they left for their homes because they were from Italy, so they could easily go home. But while I was waiting for my PhD to finish, so I stayed here. I decided to stay here, and after that, the lockdown began in both countries, in India and Italy. So unfortunately, I stayed here, but I am happy, and I'm thankful to government of India and Air India, who took the many students from different parts of Italy, like Milan and Rome, back to India. And in the end, I would like to conclude that um, when you go outside for in case you have to buy something, like in the supermarket or grocery store, you always try to keep a distance of 2 meter with your fellow citizen, with other people, with your fellow people. So for example, when I go once a week and I buy all the things together, though it's heavy, but it's the best way to do. So I buy all the things, all the groceries for 1 week all together, and then I store them accordingly, like the meat product in the freezer, and like that way. So I finish in 1 week, and then I again go. So the outside contact with me is once per week. So you can also do avoid to go outside and stay at home. This is the only and best way till now. And this also gives time to the people who are working really hard to develop some treatment, some medicine, some vaccine for this virus, and understand the behavior of this virus. So social distancing is the only key, and cleaning everywhere around, cleaning yourself, your house, disinfect yourself, your house, your surrounding, your neighborhood, everything. Now I think it's a very good lesson for everyone who only clean themselves but do not, or maximum their house, but do not care about their neighborhood, the outside the street. Especially in my country, which I have seen that most of the places are. I am very sad to say this, but most of the places and areas are disorganized and dirty, and this is very good. This kind of dirty places are good breeding ground for the infectious diseases. So after this, I hope in this lockdown, I think a lot of areas will clean automatically by nature. Like I have read on the news that the Ganges and the Yamuna River is getting cleaner. So I hope after that people become more conscious and do not make dirty our surrounding, do not make filthy the surrounding areas, because it's not always important to clean yourself, but your house, because the disease also come from outside. And that's all I wanted to say, everyone. And I wish all you a good luck to fight against the virus. And I hope everyone stay happy. Everyone is though it's not grateful experience, but I hope you are somehow enjoying quarantine period, and with this I conclude this, and thank you very much. Namaskar.